I'm breathing. I just wanted to make sure. Perfect. Thank
Hey guys, how you doing? Well, we're having another look at watching the traffic go by. As you can see, it looks like the construction crew has finished working on the roadway, and it looks beautiful. I mean, I hate that phrase to tell you the truth, which implies I've been lying all along. So I hate that phrase. So you'll never hear me say it, especially that time. Okay, never mind. Okay. Okay, so this is the completion of their work. All the lanes are now brand new, brand spanking new, uh, and they put down the lines to indicate lanes. Um, so I guess they'll do a whole repaint, but at least they got that done. It looks beautiful. So that's really what I wanted to do. I wanted to bring you an update as to the construction. Now, as far as the construction over there, I think that construction is still going on, yeah. And I don't know what they're doing over there. It's crazy. Look at that. What is going on over there? I mean, sidewalk, yeah. Roadway, yeah. Over there, I don't know. He's on third. Oh, we're not talking about him. How did I get on third base? You mentioned his name. I mentioned third baseman's name. I don't know anybody in the team. Okay, tell me the third baseman's name. I don't know. I thought you knew. I do know. Well, tell me the third baseman's name tomorrow. Well, if you don't know, tell me. Don't say you know if you don't. I'm telling you, I don't know is on third base. Well, I don't know is on third base. You're the manager of the team. You should know. So who's on first? Yes. And the guy's name. Who? The first baseman. Who is on first? What are you asking me for? I'm not asking you, I'm telling you who is on first. I'm asking you who's on first. That's the man's name. That's whose name? Yes. Well, go ahead and tell me. The first baseman. Okay, so that routine, I know to a T. Or a W, don't matter to me. Or coffee, don't matter to me either. Okay, so anyway, this is what I wanted to show you. And I'll see you later. So I don't think there'll be much updates from here on in about construction out there. All right, I'll see you soon. Okay.